Hey everyone, Jen Rupinian here, successwithjendavis.com, and I wanted to make a different kind of video for you today. And if you'll notice, I'm still sort of in this, I've made these videos with like no makeup on, hair is just like this, because I've been in mega training mode and really focusing on this incredible launch from My Lead System Pro this past week. And you've probably seen the buzz all over the internet and social media about MLSP Sites, and which is a done-for-you WordPress blog that comes with the My Lead System Pro Mastery and University packages. Also, an amazing, incredible training and webinar done on Wednesday by multi-million-dollar blogger Ray Higdon, talking about how to become an authority in your niche using a blog and how he has done it, and also talking about his new training program, the 3-Minute Expert. So here I wanted to actually show you what the big deal was about. So you're probably wondering, gee, how can this help me and what does this mean for me? So here it is. And if you are doing business online, you need a blog, you need a website, and this is how you can get your message out to the world in your own voice. And it's even better if you can have it done for you. I don't know about you guys out there, but I tried to set up mine from scratch once, and it was an exercise in frustration. And God bless if you managed to get through it and come out with the end product that you wanted. For me, I'm a mom of 4 kids, and I need super simple. And so this works perfectly for me. So if you see my screen here, this is the MLSP Sites screen. So they really break it down for you step by step. So you don't have to be technical, you don't have to be a programmer or anything like that. Literally, you watch me first. They spell it out really nicely. So what happens is, and then they have also a downloading cheat sheet so you can have both on the screen and off, which is awesome. And a getting started video. So you watch after you activate. So I want to show you how simple this is. And down here, this is where, and right now I've already done this work. I've answered the questions, so they're not, I can't choose to set them up, so I just want to go through this with you. It asks you to just set up a username. So when you log into Sites, log into your blog site, you need your own username and password for that. And then it asks you to name your site. So what I did, I just put my name and MLSPsites.com. That's the web address of my blog, the official web address. It also asks you to create a title for your website. So mine is the official website of Jen Rupinian, 40licious, fierce, and free. So it doesn't show that here again because I've already done this step, but I just wanted you to know how simple it is. And if I went through that a bit fast and you're wondering how am I going to remember that, don't worry, because that's exactly what's covered in video 1. It shows you step by step how to answer these questions. And then once you do check OK to all of these, you just have a site. Watch. See, you click on the URL there, and ta-da, there is the beginnings of my blog. Now, I'm going through some training right now, and I'm going to set this up, but I wanted to show you how it looks in the original state. So here it is with my title, and you can change that at any time. And I could start blogging right now. The only thing I have left to do is do some plugins and go ahead and customize it with the graphics and any type of information or images that I want. So this is just so awesome. I mean, that's how easy it is. So if I'm going to start working on this, all I do is log in with the password that we created on that first page. Hey. Uh-oh. I'm wondering what password I used. Oh my goodness. So it gives you a password. It gives you your own funky password. So there it is. And I'll have to change that to my own password shortly. So, uh-oh, and it's not logging in for me. All right, well, it looks like I'm going to have to go ahead and just go ahead and get some tech support for that. So, oh, I know why. Because I don't have the right ID. It's Jen Rupinian WP. See, so here you go. Here's an example of someone who's not technical, who makes the silliest mistakes, okay? Like the user error right now. But it's okay because it can be all figured out. So, okay, now that I've got my username and password straight, so now you log in, and here's what it looks like. and then there's another training portal for you to go through, and then it will show you exactly how to customize, what theme you want to use, what plugins that will help you to just make the massive improvements and tips, really cool features on your blog. So you can go through all of these, and as I go through them and customize mine, I will do another video that will show you how mine looks as I progress. But I would suggest, getting started and getting yours going right away, because if you are working with me on my mastery team or even my university team, I will give you some coaching on how to go through this process and get started, and working with a great group of people who will also support you as well. So you don't worry about that. You have massive support at MLSP, not only from me, but from the entire team. So you go through the training portal and you go ahead and customize. And it's as simple as that. And that's really how it works. And then you can get going and just start adding your posts. So even though, and let me go back to the training course from Ray Higdon, because even though I've done blogging before, I actually do have another blog currently that I'll be moving over to this site here. I figure that a multi-million-dollar a month blogger has plenty to teach me about blogging. I'm certainly not at that level, and that is a great thing to strive for. He's someone who knows how to get his content out there and how to really establish himself as an authority. So what a great way to learn this. So I'm excited to be partnered with him on this. And let's see, let me go get it. And so let me just show you real quick, as a little bonus, exactly what you're getting here. So this is the 3-minute expert system, and you'll see the modules, and every module has a video. There's Ray, isn't he cute? Really going through in detail all of the points that he made on Wednesday night's webinar. And if any of you saw that replay, I have it on my Facebook wall, on my business page, Jennifer Rupinian, on my personal page, Jennifer Russo Rupinian. You can check it out. I have the replay link there. If not, just hit me up on Facebook and ask, and I'll be more than happy to give it to you. But he gives an overview of the 5 steps, and this really goes into each of them in detail, so you can see why blogging, what that will do for you, and how to set up all of the tools so you can see exactly how your blog is doing, how effective it is, and who it's reaching. What your obstacles might be, really important here, how to define your target market, who you're talking to, and how you're going to find them, and how to monetize your blog. Because here's the thing, you want to get a blog and really be able to express yourself, which is awesome. But then at the same time, this is a business for you, and even if it's not, that's cool. It's good to know this, but if it's a business for you, you're going to want to know how to make money from your blog. And I know a lot of times people get a bit nervous in the beginning about, oh gosh, what do I do for content? What do I put on there? What do I talk about? And here's a module right here to help you with that, so don't even worry about it, to give you plenty of ideas to get started. SEO is search engine optimization. Ray goes through what that is, why it's important, and how we get that going for your blog. And really, traffic. Here, again, so important. You need the eyeballs coming to your blog. You can't just post a blog and just by posting it have anybody come to you. You really need to have those people coming to see your blog. So it's like, having your home, but then, not inviting anyone over to visit and have your housewarming party, right? So you want to have people who can find your blog and let them know, put it in front of them, let them know you're there and you have good things to say and share. So, and there's a whole bunch more just about this to get that engagement and interaction, and how to communicate with people when they find you. How do you get the information in order to get in touch with them? And then once you do, what do you say? So we really can see that this program really gives you the whole deal from beginning to end, why you want to do this, how it benefits you, and how you get everything set up, and how you speak to people, how you speak to your potential customers. Isn't that fantastic? And finally, how to become that expert and authority that really allows you to stand out from everyone else in your industry or in your niche or in your marketplace. Fabulous. And of course here, how Ray did it, his 7-figure overview, don't want to miss that. And with it, he also gives some bonuses as well, which is awesome. Some attraction marketing bonuses, which means bringing people to you instead of you chasing people. How do you get people to come to you and really know that you have something that they're looking for? So blog titles. How how to make images. I mean, this is just fantastic, right? Look at this. I mean, really, you can't go wrong here. It has everything that you need to really create a business centered around blogging that works for you. So there it is. Oh, and it looks like even more. There are some blog reviews, or Ray goes and shows you other people's blogs, and he does an actual, I believe, a coaching session with them live to show what he give his thoughts on what is good, what could be improved upon. Q&A sessions with him. So, oh my gosh, it goes on. Look, the bonuses go on and on, people. Creating ads, audiences, and pixels. Don't worry about pixels yet. These are advanced methods, but they're there for you when you got everything down, you get yourself going. Custom audiences. So, yeah, like I said, beginner to expert, you've got it all here. So, absolutely, absolutely worth the investment. So that's about it. I'm going to end with that and say, get yourself going. There are some other bonuses that I personally am offering to my team, who begins with the 3-minute expert training system and the MLSP sites. Now, keep in mind that once you grab the 3-minute expert program, you do get a 30-day free trial of My Lead System Pro Mastery. So that includes the sites, the blog system. So you can go ahead and use that for a month for free. And how awesome is that? Huge. So I'm going to put a link in the post that goes with this to take advantage of this offer, and I suggest you grab it because it's only available until Wednesday. So act now, grab it, and really make that choice to run with us and really allow us to take you from beginner to authority and really see the difference and see the results in your business. So the link will be successwithjendavis.com/blog. Really simple. Successwithjendavis.com/blog. Get started now. Get yourself the 3-minute expert and your MLSP Sites blog for 30 days for free. Yahoo! And I will see you guys on the inside. Looking forward to it. Have a great day.